Little Jam's World. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification.
Bruno Gets Lost. When I was young, I had a scare. I couldn't find my mummy there. She told me when we went to town, there would be people all around. She warned me, and I heard her say the thing that I forgot that day. Bruno, today we are going to a big sale at the supermarket. Now listen to me very carefully. Bruno, don't run around here and there. Make sure you stay right beside me. Oh my, it's very crowded. Wow, toys. Zoom, zoom. Bruno was playing here and there. Bruno, Bruno. His mother is searching for him. Mommy, where are you? Bruno started crying. What's the matter, little bear? Are you lost? Don't cry. Mommy, mommy. Now Bruno started crying. Don't worry, I will help you find your mummy. Somebody told this to Bruno. Bruno! Now Bruno's mother found Bruno. Don't cry, Bruno. Mummy is here. Now everything is alright. Mommy, I couldn't find you and I was so scared. Now do you see why I told you to stay beside me, Bruno? You should always listen to me as Mummy knows best, right? Yes, Mummy.
Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Bye bye.